How can I pipe output of ffmpeg to ffplay? How can I pipe the output of ffmpeg to ffplay? At the moment I use a workaround in Bash.
I do not know if it is ffmpeg that cannot output its data to stout, or ffplay that cannot take its input from stin. If it is ffmpeg that cannot output its data to stout, you need to add a argument to ffplay so it takes its input from stin. If it is ffplay that cannot take its input from stin, for more information about the ndlt command and ngt command construct, see the process substitution section of the Bash manual.
Will work. You need to set a container format for the output. This is normally set with ffmpeg looking at the extension you give the output, but here you have to set it manually with F. I recommend Matroska MKV because it can contain almost any video, so whatever you're transcoding it to should work perfectly well. Note that if you are using Ubuntu 12.04, ffmpeg has been replaced by the Libe fork, and you should use ofconv and ffplay instead. The syntax is otherwise identical. There is a sort of ffmpeg there, but it's crippled by design.
ffmpeg supports piping operations. See that section of the documentation here. I don't know how ffplay works, but to pipe the output of ffmpeg to standard output, you can add the pipe command to the end of the ffmpeg command. Example.
Looks like normal pipes work, at least in Windows. Haven't tried it with more complicated input/output though. Is slightly faster startup.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.